This tutorial will introduce the basics of setting up categories and courses in MoodleCloud. You will have many materials to organize for your MoodleCloud class. In order to achieve this, you will need to set up categories and courses. But how should you organize these components? Should you set up the category first or the course first? Does it make a difference? The answer is yes, it does. The category must be created before the course, because the category is where you will create your courses. Here is the plan I created for guiding my MoodleCloud organization. Get a handle on H5P is the category. The category will contain 2 courses, creating H5P lessons and assigning H5P lessons. Now let's look at putting this plan into action. Once you have created your Moodle account, log in to your Moodle site. You will see a menu on the left side of the pane. Click on Site Administration. This page will open. Remember, you need to set up the category first. But there is not an option for category in this menu bar. No problem. You will go through the Courses tab to get to the category setup option. In the Courses menu, there are many options for working with your courses. Notice there is a choice in this menu for adding categories. But since I will be working with both categories and courses, I am going to go into Manage Courses and Categories. Through here, you can add or modify your categories and your courses. You work with categories in the left column and courses in the right column. The default for MoodleCloud has a category called Miscellaneous. You will replace this with your own category, so select it and click the gear icon. The gear opens a drop-down menu with various options. In order to rename this course, I need to select Edit. I will delete the name Miscellaneous and replace it with my category name, Get a Handle on H5P. You may add a description, but it is not required. Click on Save Changes. From there, Moodle takes you back to your course management page. Notice that my category title now appears as an option on the course side. I will select Create New Course and set up my first course. When setting up the new course, you must fill in any fields with this red icon beside them. When done, click the Save and Return button at the very bottom of the page. I must repeat the process in order to create my second course in this category. These are the only fields I must complete. Verify that this course category drop-down is on the correct category. Now I have a category called Get a Handle on H5P, which contains 2 courses, Assigning H5P Lessons and Creating H5P Lessons. So there you have it. Setting up categories and courses in your MoodleCloud is pretty simple. However, it is a good idea to have a preliminary plan in mind before you begin. This will save you the hassle of later editing. Now you know how to add categories and courses to your MoodleCloud.